Hi, this is Ciandre from BK Ciandre. Today, we continue to introduce you flush to all door system. It's created by Laminam porcelain slim. Let me introduce you one by one. In order to realize same color of the wall and the door, so we use Laminam porcelain 3mm. And also the same thing in the door panel. So what is the biggest advantage for this door system is that there is three big advantage. One thing is that because all the door system, all this door system, the weight is upon to the floor. So the force is to floor. The second thing is that 30 minutes on-site installation time. Why? Because we pack the frame and the door panel in the same pack. On the project side, you only need to put the door to the floor and adjust well the axis and this door to the floor, horizontal and vertical. So this is very important, is that when the door is adjust well in horizontal and the vertical wall, there is no possibility for the deformation. The third thing is that because this system, we use invisible door system. So when you see the outlooking, this is a very, very thin frame. So we can call this is invisible. You cannot see any screws on the frame. Everything is just a frame, no screws at all. So it's very cool and it's very simple, and this is a very good idea for the high-end flush to all door projects, because we also use Griff door handle. This is Griff, and also we use AGB lock system here. So on the surface we use Laminam porcelain slab. The door handle we use Italian Griff. The lock we use Italian AGB. So the whole system, this side, this is a very high-end flush to all door system. So we already introduced like a micro cement painting flush to all door system. We also glass flush to all door system, and also wood panel flush to all door system. So we have different kind of material to use in this system. It depends on your project cost, because it depends on your budget. You can carry out different kind of level of flush to all door system. So it depends on the material. So if you have any ideas, if you are interested in to know more creative and very fashion design ideas, please don't forget to follow me, and I'm going to continue to show you more ideas. Thank you. See you next time.